Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Peak Strength fitness app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Peak Strength is a fitness training app designed to help users build muscle, increase strength, and follow structured workout programs tailored to their goals. The app provides progressive strength-based routines, clear exercise instructions, and personalized training calendars based on your fitness level. It's available on both iOS and Android and helps users stay consistent with automated workout tracking, performance logging, and weekly targets. The app's main feature is its strength-focused programming. You select your goal, enter your current experience, and Peak Strength generates customized plans using principles of progressive overload. It also includes detailed exercise demos, rest timers, and built-in analytics to track improvements in lifts, endurance, and overall strength. If you found this video helpful so far, drop a like. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. Many users appreciate its structured routines, clear instructions, and noticeable progress over time. The app's data tracking helps keep users motivated, and its training cycles feel similar to professional coaching programs. It's especially useful for beginners and intermediate lifters who want guidance without hiring a personal trainer. However, there are some drawbacks. Full access to advanced programs and tracking tools requires a subscription. Some users report that the app's workouts may feel repetitive over long periods, and the lack of highly personalized form correction may affect those who prefer a coaching-style experience. Additionally, it relies heavily on user input for accurate tracking, which may take time to maintain. In summary, the Peak Strength app may be worth using if you want structured strength training plans, consistent progress tracking, and clear workout guidance without needing a personal trainer. However, if you prefer more flexible routines or don't want to commit to a subscription, it might not be essential for you. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.